So, engine getting ready to come out, man. We got a little further than when I last picked up the camera. We got my guy Mike here today. Yeah, so I got everything swapped over that was cut off. For the most part, everything that's still cut, those hoses are stuck. We're gonna have to put some heat on and pull them off. But I got the old oil lines off that was cut off. It came with a map, with a math sensor, and it came with the ECU also. So yeah, motor kind of really prepped. The really we dropped in. The blue wires for the ignition. I got the LS core pack upgrade. So yeah. We're gonna get back with you guys. So what's good, YouTube, man? I got the engine and transmission up finally. So I'm probably finna pressure wash the engine bay. Get things looking okay up under here, so we can have a clean install for real. It's kind of dirty. Yeah. Dropped it out of the bottom. Yeah, that's my old motor right there. It's a new setup. Everything is really clean, so I really didn't want to put it in a dirty engine bay. Probably gonna have to shine my intake up a little bit. Yeah. Definitely gonna get back with you guys once I get this thing rolled out. Get a little wash down, man. So you drop this motor back in. I really was supposed to clean just the engine bay, but I'm gonna give it a little love, man. Treat it right.
Those things. JB, forget about those trucks. I got something better for you. Guys. Shut up, Shake.
Back to you. We got everything swapped over.
Exactly. Shoot, I'm still looking for my money from that 5-star.
Looking to go up. Finally back from cleaning the engine bay. Wash it down.
Hold on a second. You mean to tell me that the entire investment hinged on a rapid beat?
Looking very clean.
You just shut the fuck
Well, 05.
Wait, then you don't make any sense.
Makes sense to me.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'll fix
So
it.
we back at you guys.
What the hell is she doing?
Damn, Tiffany, what did you do?
Tiffany, what the hell is going on?
All right, there's no way in hell I'm gonna violate the trust of me and my homies. It's not gonna happen. Do you understand me?
Damn near got the motor back in.
Admire a man who values
Motor mounts.
over a high seven-figure
Coming
advance.
back on the side.
You know, if you ever decide to change your mind, Mr. Hart, please feel free to give me a call. That's my card.
7-figure advance.
Looking pretty clean.
You gotta be kidding.
Alright, man. So we back. And damn near got everything majority situated. For the most part, I'm just gonna drop the air intake in there and probably add some oil to it.
What's that leak on the
Oil and goddamn brake fluid. Should be oil and brake fluid.
Why you got brake fluid? Huh? Why you got brake fluid?
Not brake fluid. I mean that oil and that goddamn brake cleaner. You just sprayed that shit, didn't it? Yeah.
You know damn well who Robin is, you green eyes freak.
Yeah, man. So it look like I'm fucking ready for a fucking fire up, man. Probably need to throw the tires back on there, huh?
Because that's who it is.
No, you don't need tires.
What y'all know is that when Robin get mad,
I'm
he
sorry,
turns into
man.
terror.
Shifter and everything hooked up too.
We goddamn did that last night.
You're not making much here. I get that.
It really just been a plug up day, man. I ain't get my ass over here to almost 3. I got this bitch straight. This how we looking in the inside, man. Looking like an Rx8 almost, man.
So much nicer in the daytime, man.
Coming to you guys, man. First start up. There's no cat on this car, so it's possible it will be loud.